And I'm Danielle, and we're the sisters who created the lifestyle blog Palm Beach Lately. Over the past 6 years, we've enjoyed sharing our favorite fashion styles, home decor, and travel experiences both on and off the island. We're trading in our sun hats for our hard hats, and we're excited to introduce you to our new project, the Pineapple Pad. We really wanted to create an experience of our Palm Beach Lately style for home decor, and then also pairing that with all the fun activities we love to do around town. We love that this hotel is historic and was built almost 100 years ago. It used to be a very iconic spot in Palm Beach, and it's kind of been overlooked in recent years, so we want to be part of bringing it back to life. We love this location because you're 1 block from the beach, you're 1 block from the bike trail so you can ride your bike to the inlet, you're walking distance to shops and restaurants that we love. When we saw this unit, we loved that it had a bedroom and a bathroom and also a separate space for a living room and a kitchenette. So when we first walked in this space, it had mustard wall color and it was dark and old. So we really had a vision to lighten this space, take out the dark cabinets, and do a much lighter version of it. We wanted to mix older elements like shiplap walls and wood floors, and also bring in fresh new furniture and decor that's really true to our signature Palm Beach Lately style. We love flamingos and pineapples, and for this project we thought it would be fun to call the condo the Pineapple Pad. The pineapple has always been part of our logo, and we really love that it stands for hospitality. We partnered with the Enjoy Company early 2018 to get this project off the ground, and we've been excited to work with Hillary McLean, the architect that helped us make the upgrades for the project. Our dad, who's a general contractor, Gregory James Inc., helped us demo the kitchen. We took out all the cabinets and countertops. Basically, it's a clean slate in there now. Our dad also helped us get the walls ready to install the shiplap soon. Our friend Dave from Hobgood Construction has helped us prep the walls for the shiplap with drywall repair, painting it white. He's also helped us prepare the closet. We're gonna have a really cool built-in closet. Treasure Coast Carpet and Interiors helped us rip up all of the tile floors and the bathroom. They actually just put the soundproofing in and are getting ready to install the wood floors. And Shane Stinson Plumbing has helped with all of our plumbing needs. Waterview Kitchens is installing the brand new kitchen cabinet soon. We're very excited about the bathroom. We have a really pretty brass vanity, and we're also gonna have our signature Pineapple Pad wallpaper on the walls. Casper Electric helped us bring all the electrical up to date, and EDS AC helped us replace the unit because we had quite an old AC unit in the building. For more fun pictures and videos of the progress of the Pineapple Pad, you can follow along at Palm Beach Lately on Instagram. Visit our site at palmbeachlately.com/pineapplepad.